Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Marcel Nicos. I am 34 years old and I am married with 2 children, 15 years old the girl and 12 years old the boy. I'm living at Barangay Obang, Tututan, Iloilo. I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters, and I am a fifth of the child of the family, only high school graduate.
Okay, do you have any experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. I have work experience first in Dubai as domestic helper for 2 years with a couple, 2 kids, aged 3 years old and 4 years old. I do the household chores like ironing, cooking, and my main duty is take care of the baby.
Okay, do you also clean the house there for 2
Yes,
years?
ma'am.
Okay, aside from Dubai, do you have any experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I have work experience second in Saudi Arabia for 5 years as domestic helper with a couple with 5
Sorry, how many children? Okay, couple with?
couple with 4 children,
Okay, what is the ages of the children in Saudi Arabia?
newborn baby, and 10 years old, and 12 years old, and 15 years old. I do the household, ironing the clothes, cooking, cleaning, but my main duty is take care of the baby.
Okay, aside from Dubai and Saudi Arabia, what else? What other country else?
Third, ma'am, I have experience in Hong Kong and as domestic helper, 5 years, a couple with 1 kids. The age is 2 years.
2-year-old. Okay, what is the what did you do there in Hong Kong for 5 years?
I do the household like ironing, cooking, washing the clothes, cleaning.
Okay, do you also do the marketing in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how would you describe, what is your main duty there, sorry, in Hong Kong?
Take care of the baby.
So take care of the 2-year-old. Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I am honest, and then I am honesty person, understanding, and hardworking.
Okay, do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any surgical operation before?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work again in abroad?
I want to go back abroad because I need to support my family, especially to my kids.
Okay, if you get tired, you will take care of your children.
My husband, ma'am.
Okay, what time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are working there?
Actually, I sleep at 10 p.m. after my work is done, and I wake up in the morning in 5 a.m.
Okay, are you the one who do the cooking and marketing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in Hong Kong kids, the kids, they're super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I want to more pretend to myself.
Okay, what do you, sorry, patient? What is
Patient.
Okay, can you, I will repeat the
I want
question.
more patient.
Okay, in Hong Kong kids, the kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I want more patient.
Okay, so you will be more patient to them, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you're homesick, what would you do?
As usually, I want to focus myself. Then I said to myself, I need this job.
Okay, do you have any allergy to a certain food?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
When you visited the parents, relative, and friends of your employer, will you help them and do some household chores there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the kids?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is sick?
First, ma'am, I will check the temperature. Then I will call to my employer.
Okay, do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I have 5 monkeys jumping on the bed. One fall down and bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor, and doctor said, "No more monkey jumping on the bed."
Okay, can you please say something to your future employer?
Yes, ma'am. Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Marcel. I hope you will select me as helper. I promise I will serve your family good. Thank you, ma'am and sir.